us. That's right. Candy Canyon Kingdom's been robbed of their most valuable resource, maple syrup. It's up to you to bring the rotten bandits who stole it to sweet, buttery justice.
An entire kingdom of candy? Sounds sticky.
Very sticky indeed.
Sounds...
Bubble, you can't say that.
No.
Zooble, wait! I'm testing out a new AI in this one. It should be 57 times more remorse.
Ew, a new AI. You don't want to mess with a new AI, Zuby? Yeah. No. Well, sounds fun, Pomni. What do you think, Pomni?
So, our entire existence here is just LARPing?
Why are you
Well,
all still standing there? The Canyon Candy Kingdom needs you now. Nah, thanks. I'm trying to quit.